You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay, guys. So, as you have heard all across social media, we're working on new merchandise. We just partnered with a new company. We thank you guys for coming to the channel. We ask that you check out our new designs. We've been working really hard with this company. We're really excited about them. We want you to partake in them. There'll be beanies for the holidays. There'll be new shirts already up there. We'll do a whole bunch of new products. So once again, even if you don't buy any merchandise, please at least subscribe to the channel. It always helps us. We got a team of people now, so any support we get, we thank you guys. All right, guys. So we had a little discussion before we start filming. It's supposed to be a 3-ingredient lemon brownie, and Brianna told me that you can't call it a lemon brownie. You gotta call it lemon squares. What? The recipe police, really? But anyway, so we're calling this 3-ingredient lemon squares. Thought I'd hear her cheer or something. But anyway, we're making it, and I'm going to show you real quick. The ingredients just take no time. Alright, so the other recipe police just showed up, and my wife told me that this isn't 3 ingredients. I know it isn't. These 3 are. The white chocolate chips, cashew butter, and the lemon. 3 ingredients make the brownie. This is to make the frosting, the glaze. Okay, while I'm scooping out what we need of the cashew butter, Tammy's going to help me melt these chocolate chips. Okay? So we're going to melt them in this bowl and put all the ingredients in this bowl. Then transfer and chill in the bread pan. Okay, we'll be right back. We're now going to put the cashew butter in while it's warm. There we go. And then we're going to put the zest in there. And there's nothing against warming it a little more if you have to. Ready? Put the lemon juice in. That'll help mix everything. Okay, so we were just about ready to show you what it looked like. Kind of looks like oatmeal. We're going to place it in we give it like a light coating of some oil on the pan, but we're not baking. We're going to be chilling. There we go. It's thick, but it's a thin layer. So it's not going to produce a lot. You may want to double this recipe. I'm doing exactly what the recipe says, because that's what I'm showing you guys. So we're going to chill this for 30 minutes to an hour, and we'll start making our glaze. Alright guys, so we're going to mix the cream cheese. We're making our glaze right now. We're going to put the powdered sugar in, and then we squeeze some lemons and got some lemon juice. It's really good stuff. So we're going to mix that up, and then we're going to add milk slowly as needed. Okay, so, alright guys, so we had plenty of frosting. We probably had too much frosting, but we followed the recipe. I made one without frosting so I could try it, because I don't want that. It's going to be beautiful, lemony, and sweet. The rest of our family will eat that, but let me give this a try. Give it a try. Doesn't have frosting, but I can imagine the frosting on it. Soft. It's like lemon fudge. That was really good. I haven't taken another bite. Don't even know what it is one yet. And I don't like lemon. But this is amazing, guys.